That's a mouthful.
Well, hello everybody, welcome to Best Life and Beyond. We are back at Disneyland today because we're gonna sample more
Halloween food!
Yes, more
I'm
treats.
so excited.
Whatever's there, right, that we haven't touched yet. There's a lot.
There's so much that's why we are making another video. And we're both double cheese fatties today. So we thought you could strap on your fat pants and come along.
Or you can strap on your feed bag, either way, whatever you choose.
It works. So anyways, I think we better get going.
Let's go. All right, starting it off, we are over at Jolly Holiday, one of our favorite spots. And
always.
There's something here that we hadn't tried yet.
Yeah.
It's been here for a little while since the Halloween food has dropped.
We were too busy eating all the treats at Jolly Holiday.
We do it in reverse.
Yeah, I guess that's what, dessert first always.
Yeah.
But today we're gonna be proper and we are going to try out the toasted salsa Roja chicken sandwich combo. That is a bit of a mouthful.
But that's what we came for.
It literally will be a mouthful of deliciousness.
Exactly.
So it's a combo, kind of like the Jolly Holiday combo, and it comes with tortilla soup for the side, but you can also substitute it and get like the Jolly Holiday combo and have the tomato basil soup. So I think that's one we went with. Are you ready to eat?
I am. That time has come where we get our appropriate piece of the sandwich here.
I'm really hoping this isn't spicy.
We'll soon find out.
I'm not a Spice Leisha fan.
Let's do the Best Life cheers. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah.
Okay. That's a mouthful. It's a little spicy.
It is. Salsa Roja in the name in the beginning, so you know it's going to have a little spice to it. Not bad though.
Okay, in my opinion, now that I'm like settling in from my first bite, it's really spicy. If you're very sensitive to spice like me, it'll be too spicy for you, I promise you that. So these are the little like tortilla strips that are on there that make it a little crunchy, which is great in theory.
Sure.
But there's the red pepper flakes. I found the culprits. I do like the cheese. It is cotija cheese, right?
It's a combo of cotija and jack.
Okay, I do like the cheese factor in there. I think that's delicious. But this is honestly, if you're sensitive to spice, this will be too spicy for you. Sorry about it. Luckily we have soup and I'll probably eat some bread.
Yeah, I agree. It is pretty spicy.
It's like an after spice, huh?
I can handle it, but it's definitely there. And if you're sensitive to that, probably want to just get the regular grilled cheese combo or something like that.
The regular Jolly.
Oh yeah.
The regular Jolly Holiday combo.
Yeah.
I guess it really does depend on your level of spice tolerance.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
you can kind of handle a little bit more than I can.
A little bit.
My spice threshold is here. Yours is here. Normal people, maybe about here.
All right, we came over to the Frontierland Churro Cart right next to Golden Horseshoe, and we have procured
the cocoa churro.
There it is.
With hot cocoa dipping sauce.
Yeah, is it the same as last year, or is it a little different?
No, I think it's different because it was kind of a spicy, it was a Mexican hot chocolate.
Oh, okay, so this is just a pure chocolate now.
I think, I'm not 100% sure. This is why we try things.
All right.
But I can tell you when I took off the cap to the dipping sauce, it was like, chocolate! That's what I smelled. I didn't smell any like spicy like I did last time. So hopefully that's the case.
I can smell the dust on there too, the chocolate dust.
Okay, we're gonna Lady and Tramp this.
Oh, is that what we're doing? Oh boy, these never end well.
Oh, look, no, but I want to show you how beautiful this looks. Oh, look at that. Get a close up of that. Yes. Oh, if you're a chocoholic, you understand what that looks like.
It always reminds me of like a Darth Maul saber.
It is. Well, that's about how we're gonna have this. Okay. All right. Ready?
I need to get a handle on it because otherwise it'll just. All right. You ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I knew I'd like this. Chocolate!
You are Chocolate.
Cocoa! I love this. There's no berry stuff, no artificial flavor.
Also, I think that the good thing about this one is that it's such a variation on the churro. Like everything else is, a lot of them are like, taste kind of like a churro.
Wait.
This doesn't taste like a churro at all.
Hold the phone, I think there is some spice in this.
Really?
I think so. If so, it's so mild.
I think you could be right, but it's so subtle that it's almost unnoticeable.
So subtle, yeah, it's doable.
It goes along with our theme today, though. You know, a little spicier today for us.
Yeah, it's still good. It's good.
But this is one that you like and you would get again because you are a chocoholic.
10 out of 10 would get again. So we made it over to the Golden Horseshoe, the songless Golden Horseshoe, because there's no more performers anymore.
Show's over, wrap.
Show's over. Bye, Felicia.
Yeah.
We found the most metal sundae around, literally. I'm really excited because this smells amazing. What is this? Discoveries have been made.
What do you got in there? Is that the cajeta?
No.
Okay, because there is
I think
cajeta
that's
in here.
in the churro, and that's that.
Yeah, because it's
That's
like a dulce de leche kind of caramelized type of thing.
But what kind of ice cream is this? Cookie dough, maybe? Cookie dough.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Did you just say that good again?
That good.
That good.
That good. What do you like?
Yeah.
More.
Katie, happy?
Would you like some?
Yes, I would.
I'm gonna give you an everything bite. I bet you people think like, did Spence do anything for himself? No. Not without his lovely assistant, Katie. Good, huh?
It's that really cookie buttery taste. Oh my gosh. That's so good.
It really is delicious. Just the ice cream and the...
We haven't even touched the churros yet.
No, I think let's do that next. After you get another bite.
All right, churro time.
Oh, man.
Talk to me. Talk to me, Goose.
I need a moment.
Oh, wow.
I think it's filled with that cotilla or cajeta.
Cajeta.
Oh,
The dulce de leche
Did you see
type
that?
stuff. There it is. Wow.
cajeta. Oh my cajeta. Oh, so good. God, great. That's the de-dust, de-churro dust.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Mind-blowing, huh?
Good combo.
I have to say, I think that might be top of the list now for everything I've had so far.
Because sometimes these things are a bit of a stretch.
Yeah.
This one actually works. This really works.
I have to say, though, that I think of all the things for the holiday season, so for the Halloween holiday season that I've tried so far,
Treat-wise, this wins.
that's top of the list now. That is top of the list. That is top of the list.
If you guys try this, tell us what you think, because we think it ranks high.
That good. That good. And I'm a chocoholic, so it's hard for me to like something not chocolate.
Right.
And that wins.
Cinnamon-tastic. Okay, we ended up over at the Galactic Grill in Tomorrowland because why, Katie?
We're gonna have some loaded fleet fries.
Fleet fries.
I've just been loving saying the name fleet fries.
Like you're part of the space fleet.
Well, that's kind of why I put my arm around you. I was like, you're in my fleet.
Yeah.
We're gonna have some fleet fries together.
All right.
Are you happy about it?
I am.
All right, let's do it.
AKA Chris Cut fries, right? Is that what they call them at Carl's Jr.?
Carl's Jr. Or if you're not in California.
Waffle.
No, it's called Hardee's, I think is what Carl's Jr. is called.
Oh. But
And
they're
then-
kind of waffle cut.
Yeah,
in a
they're
sense.
waffle cut fries.
Yeah.
So,
So fleet fries, special menu item. I didn't see it on the menu up there, per se.
like a Halloween menu.
It's like a special Halloween menu item. I didn't see a sign or anything, so if you walk up and don't see it there, just ask for it. They have it. Fleet fries. You will enjoy. We hope we enjoy. We're about to
It's bigger than I
undertake it.
thought, too. Like, I want to give you a size reference. This is my hand. It's pretty good size.
Yeah.
You know, like, it's way bigger. I was kind of expecting, remember like the loaded little tater tots we used to love so much?
Yes. You thought it was going to
Moment
be
of silence
that.
for those real quick. But yeah, I thought it would be kind of like that, where it was like a tiny little thing and it was just so good.
Yeah.
I'm really hoping this is delicious. I'm not the biggest barbecue fan. Like
I know, because I see slaw, so I'm assuming that it's a barbecue slaw combo.
Yeah, I'm a little nervous for that.
Like one of those sandwiches where you put the slaw and the barbecue on, which is really good.
Yeah.
But let's give it a go.
I say we try it. The only way to know is if we try.
Only way to know is you go. Upon first inspection, yes, waffle cut fries, there's some slaw, and I see barbecue sauce.
Yeah, this definitely is shredded barbecue pulled pork, if I'm not
is that what it is?
mistaken. And the only reason I'm not a fan of barbecue pulled pork is because I got you know, sick after having it once.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. Oh, good.
How's the slaw?
The slaw is really good. And I think that sauce has a little kick to it. This is like spicy Alicia did it.
Again.
What's going on?
The third spicy thing. Well, I mean, the churro wasn't that spicy, but it was there.
This isn't that bad. Honestly, you'd have to be really, really crazy sensitive in order to taste that spice.
Okay.
It's really mild, even way more mild than the Roja sandwich. But these are, all in all, I think they're actually pretty good. There's some cheese in there too. I think that's something you'll like.
But I get it why they're doing the hot thing for Halloween. Like,
yeah,
it's like fire,
sense,
hot,
yeah.
you know.
It makes sense.
Symbolic of Halloween. That's cool.
There's not a ton of that sauce on there too, though, because I noticed a lot's over here.
Yeah.
You can kind of, and to be honest, like, I'm not the biggest barbecue fan, but the pulled pork is really good. It's not like gross barbecue sauce. It's actually pretty good.
All right, taster Alicia time.
I'm interested to see what you think. The real question we have to ask is 10 out of 10, would you eat it again? And I know my answer.
It's what I expected it to be.
Okay.
It's a barbecue thing.
It is really,
yeah.
It's pretty heavy barbecue.
That's the dominant deal. I'm not a huge barbecue fan, kind of like you.
Yeah.
So I would not get it again, but a lot of people like barbecue, and I think they would like it. I think they would enjoy it.
If you're a barbecue fan, you'll like it. I would say 10 out of 10, no. I would say 10 out of 10, I would get it again, even not being a barbecue fan, but I would get it without the little sauce. It's definitely not Thousand Island. I think it looked like the Thousand Island.
But it's not, it's spicier. It's almost like an aioli
It's a
or
chipotle.
something. Oh,
I think
chipotle.
It's a chipotle sauce.
That makes
now
more
that
sense.
I sat and thought about it.
Smokier, a little spicier.
Yeah, so I would get it without the chipotle sauce, and if I had to, I would get it again.
You know what I'm hoping is that they keep these waffle cut fries around, and then they do different things with them, like different types of loaded fries, because I really like that, having that option, or some sort of potato thing that can be loaded here.
It's a good thing to like be able just to grab. Like, I love those galactic tater tot things.
Those were so
good. Meteor something. Meteor bites.
Meteor bites, yeah. But you could share it, and it was something that, like, if you were a little bit hungry, you didn't want a full meal, you could go, oh, let's go grab some of those.
Quick little grab snack.
Yeah, so that's what this kind of falls into that category.
Yeah.
So.
Definitely shareable too.
Galactic Grill also offers a blood orange slush, blood orange, lemon, and lime. All right, we came over to the Red Rose Tavern, and we got
the pumpkin spice shake.
Wow.
It's also kind of being a little metal too.
It is. Look at that. That's the theme today.
White chocolate ice cream. It has salted caramel. I said that right for you. Salted caramel in there. It looks like a graham crackery type dusting. Some whipped cream, and obviously pumpkin spice flavor.
All right, so careful.
Caramel. I'm trying to get everything. That's good. That's pretty good.
So you were right. I asked her beforehand, I'm not a huge pumpkin spice guy. I said, I'm not going to like it. It sounds gross as a shake. She said, no, it tastes just like pumpkin pie. It does, you're right. It tastes exactly like a liquid form of pumpkin pie, so not too bad, not too bad.
It's not like overpowering, like you take a swing of it or a bite of it and you're like, whoa!
No.
That's just straight up like I ate a can of pumpkin. No, it's really, really like pumpkin pie.
But I see how you pumpkin files enjoy this kind of stuff, I get it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, good.
And it's $7.49 before annual pass holder discount.
I can say that, like, I honestly wish it was a little bit more pumpkin-y because it, to me, is a little bit too much white chocolate. Therefore, I'm not the biggest fan of it. Like, if I had a choice between this or the Churro Sundae, the Churro Sundae, hands down, I would order that 10 times again, and I love pumpkin spice, but this just isn't as much pumpkin spice as I would like.
All right, well, that wraps it up.
Lots of food and treats.
Yes.
I feel like the theme was just too spicy today.
We did go along a spice trail today.
We went on a spice Alicia trail. It was a little intense. But I'm glad we got to try them, so in case you come to the park, you'll know.
Be forewarned.
You are warned on the spice level, and
Spice
maybe
warning.
you'll know a little bit better.
Yeah.
But it was really good. I mean, I'm not mad at it. It was good. So if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. When you do, turn on your bell notifications. That way you know every time we post our video and when we go live, because we do that sometimes.
We do.
And if you want to support Best Life and Beyond, we'll link all the information on how to become a Patreon member in the description box below.
We will, and we'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody!